Hi children, welcome to our basic science class. Today we are going to recollect all the contents from the chapter Breath and Blood of Life. Okay children, let's start our class. Next we discussed about inspiration and expiration. The process of inhaling air is called inspiration and the process of exhaling air is called expiration. Respiratory system in humans. A pair of lungs is the main respiratory organ in human beings. Lungs are situated in the thorax inside the rib cage. Nostrils, trachea, bronchi, lungs are the parts of human respiratory system. The trachea is a long pipe. Bronchi are the branches of the trachea. The wall of the trachea is strengthened by C-shaped rings of cartilage. Lungs are like sponge. There are many air sacs in them. Next we discussed about how the air that enters the nose reaches the lungs. When the lungs expand, air enters it. When the lungs contract, the air moves out. The expansion and contraction of the lungs is made possible by a layer of muscles at the base of the thorax called diaphragm and by the muscles attached to the ribs. During inspiration, thorax expands, air pressure in the thorax decreases, then the air enters the lungs. During expiration, the diaphragm returns to the original position, the air pressure in the thorax increases, then the air is expelled from the lungs. We studied two activities related to the components present in exhaled air. The first activity, when we exhale air onto a mirror, we can see mist on the mirror. This is water vapor formed by the cooling of exhaled air on the mirror. When carbon dioxide is passed through clear lime water, the lime water is calcium hydroxide. The calcium carbonate is formed. When carbon dioxide passed through lime water, it turns milky in color. Next we studied about the organisms have different respiratory organs. In amoeba, has no specific respiratory organ. Here, air diffuses in and out through its cell membrane. Next, the earthworm. The respiratory organ of the earthworm is its moist skin. In insects, a network of tubules seen attached to them is the respiratory organ in insects. Gills are the respiratory organ of fish. In amphibians, it can respire through lungs when they are on land and through skin when they are in water. Like animals, plants also breathe. Plants take in oxygen from their surrounding and release carbon dioxide. This gaseous exchange occurs through the minute pores in the leaves called stomata. During respiration, oxygen reaches lungs. Blood carries oxygen from lungs to cells. Blood also carries carbon dioxide from cells to the lungs. Next about human blood. The human blood is red in color due to the presence of a pigment in blood called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin plays a part in carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide. The transportation of substances in insects takes place through fluid-filled cavities. In insects, blood is not in red in color. In unicellular organisms, the medium of transportation is by cytoplasm. Next we discussed about blood components. Blood is composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and the fluid part called plasma. White blood cells are of 5 types. Next we discussed about blood circulation. Blood circulation is the transportation of blood from the heart to all parts of the body and from all parts of the body to the heart. The blood circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels and blood. The human body has three kinds of blood vessels: the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Next, we discussed about the human heart. The heart is the center of the blood circulatory system. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The size of heart is the size of one's fist. The heart is protected inside the thorax by ribs. The heart is situated between the lungs. The heart is covered with a double-layered membrane called pericardium. The human heart has 4 chambers. The earthworm has 5 pairs of lateral heart. The insect has 13-chambered heart. The fish has 2-chambered heart. The lizard has 3-chambered heart. The crocodile has 4-chambered heart. The bird has 4-chambered heart. The stethoscope is a device used to know heartbeat. It was first made by the scientist René Laennec. The heart of a human embryo begins to beat from the day it turns 22 days old. The heartbeat stops only with death. The heart normally beats 72 times per minute. Smoking and alcoholism adversely affect the working of the heart. The excess fatty food also affect the health of the heart. Last of the chapter we studied that what first aid we should give a person wounded. First, clean the wound with pure water. Press and hold the wound tightly. If the wound is on the hand, lift the hand up. If the blood flows does not stop, cover the wound with a clean cloth or bandage. Then provide medical assistance if the wound is deep or the bleeding doesn't stop. Okay children, let's wind up today's class. This is the last part of this chapter. All of you study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.